Hello friends, this is Aditi Kulkarni. In this video, I am going to explain about cells. Let's know the discovery of cells first. Robert Hooke, a scientist, discovered the cells. Cells are the smallest units of life. Cells can divide, multiply, and even grow. Many cells together form tissues, and many tissues together form organs. Many organs together form organ systems, and many organ systems together form organism. There are two types of cells. They are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Let's know the difference. Prokaryotic cells have no well-defined nucleus, and for the eukaryotic cells, it's just the other way round. That is, they have well-defined nucleus. Examples for prokaryotic cells can be unicellular organisms. What does unicellular organism mean? It just means single-celled organism like bacteria. Examples for eukaryotic cells can be animals, protists, and plants. We humans have eukaryotic cells. Cell membrane is a thick layer that covers the cell. Every cell has cell membrane. Cell membrane is very important to maintain the reactions within the cell. The dark part that you see around the cell is the cell membrane. As I said, the cell membrane is very important because it maintains all the reactions within the cell. Cell needs a cover for itself, and that cover is the cell membrane. You see how important the cell membrane is? Let's know something about the plant cell. Plant cell has a strong protective layer called cell wall, and it also contains cell membrane. This means plant cell has an external layer called cell wall. This tough and rigid thing that you see is the cell wall. Cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose and lignin. Let's move on. All things that are in the cell, as you can see in the picture, are called cell organelles. Some of them are already pointed for you to understand. This is the cell organelle. Even this one and this one, all are the cell organelles. And some of them are already pointed for you to understand. Let's know about the cytoplasm. Cell contains a genetic material called cytoplasm. It's a jelly kind of stuff which is present in every cell. Now, as I said, all the organelles of the cell are floating on this genetic material called cytoplasm. Let's know about the king of the cell, the nucleus. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in 1831. This is the clear picture of the nucleus, and it's already pointed for you to understand. Let's know better about the nucleus. Nucleus has a protective layer called nuclear membrane, which have small pores on it. Wondering why there are pores on the nuclear membrane? As I said, the nucleus is the king of the cell. So, the king must know the information about the cell and what's on the cell and everything. There are small information carriers that go through these small pores and give the information about the cell to the nucleus. And this dark part that you see is the nucleolus. Nucleolus does not have any layer around it. In the next video, we'll explore about the other organelles of the cell. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.